So this US Japanese yen analysis for Monday the 6th of August. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we have seen a breakdown from its 12.15. We've oscillated around the 11.60. Weren't able to break back up towards that 12.15. So a subsequent breakdown of that 11.60. Had price come down towards the 200 period average, testing 200 period average at present. So if we do see its downside momentum continuation here, we are looking for a test of that 111. If we do find support around that 111, we're looking for price head up towards that 11.60. If however we do fail to hold support at 111, we're looking for a move down towards that 10.73. And if there is sufficient volatility to the downside, possibly even that 10.20 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. If however we do break to the upside and we do break and hold above 11.60, looking for a retest of that 12.15, and if we can break beyond 12.15, possibly up towards that 12.52 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Now let's just have a look at the higher time frame and see how prices are developing. So on the US dollar Japanese yen on the monthly chart, we can see here pretty clearly we do have our lows, we have a higher low. We've had this consolidation. We had this consolidation, had a breakdown towards that the 100 level. More recently, however, we've, as you can see here, we've been in an uptrend on the US dollar Japanese yen. We've had strong moves to the upside, brief pullbacks, but strong follow-throughs to the upside here on the US dollar Japanese yen. So we'll look to see if we do see a continuation possibly towards that 114, where we encountered resistance on quite a few occasions more recently. Well, not more recently, in 2017. We did encounter quite a few, we did encounter quite a bit of resistance in around that 114, 114.30. So we'll see whether we do have that continuation strength to bring us up towards the 114 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at a weekly chart. And here on this weekly chart, we can see here, we've tested the 200 period moving average, sitting slightly above the 1304. Let's just see where that is. So it's in around a 13.17. 200 period average was sitting around 13.24. So near perfect test of that 200 period moving average from a weekly chart. We've seen a bit of a sell side momentum, but we've had a bit of buy side momentum return to the market. So at present, we do appear to be forming a bit of a flag. We'll see whether our lows do hold in around at 10.73. If that does happen to be the case, then possibly looking for a move back up towards that 12.15. Successful break from which, looking for a move towards that 13.04 here around the US dollar Japanese yen. And finally, we have a look here at the daily chart. And on this daily chart, we can see here, we have our lows. We've had this trend to the upside, sharp pullback trend, acceleration momentum towards that 13.04. Brief, we've had a pretty sharp sell-off from in around that 13.04. Gone through this consolidation hold here through 10.73. Saw the bullish buy side momentum coming to market, test 12.15. We're now seeing a bit of a pullback. The pullback is a lot deeper than I'd like. So we'll see whether this pullback does post a somewhat higher low, and we'll see continuation, or whether we will fail and see a test of that 111 and that 400 period average. If we do see a break of that 10.73, possibly looking for further downside momentum, as we were breaking this trend more recently, because we would have our highs, lower highs, breaking out of the trend here to the downside, in which case possibly may see prices here down towards a 109.50, 108.80, and beyond that, possibly even that 108.13 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.